Salam, 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 salam.
Ndesan. Mo furing ba fale way.
Wala, gael mba fulale ko Sony transfer ko di sendula Apollon. Mianonko ibe Europe daoda America, UK ibe dunia daoda Sony transfer application o download doro e register kodo purko ki Gambia. Nyabidi ni nyaile lo wote. Account deposit wo woma sibito ni dibaso fonsoto. Abula doro yasu minute dantan e batar raje. Sony transfer nte Alhaji Figo Mane. Nkatele use. Otomba fulal beko. Welcome to Sony transfer. Namol. Mfeleje nal natal bentar raje. Sony transfer. Numero 1. Namolu ngalibe kontong altol anal kontongol bifanang muruntanan ne koteke. Namolu bi kachabita dami wolo nyim video di ngadundi TikTok le diamo siata mbe comments dantane karanna ningo karangali okola nga domondilla moy video nyinto nga continue nyaado koteke.
Viewers, let's watch this video.
Namolu mbokol commencer la commento minna wolo 9 bars ako billahi man, thanks for saying that. That mean abaraka baki Figo ilo kumonyina.
God don't catch monkey.
Namolu hanika binga continue de Figo ko wait for us after Ramadan. Ay jelo laje.
Kaya demare.
Namolu hanika bide hamsiko Muhammad is not letting him talk. Ako Muhammad mantra ka mic bula ay diam. Ay jelo laje nga continue.
Yeah.
Namolu hanika bide golden ko it was like Mike is the one giving question to Muhammad. Ako kumala sutiya kamadal ako akamunta ko Mike lebe nyinin karo di kang Muhammad dabola hanika bi nga continue.
Wallahi billahi legi nak problem bi lena la.
Namolu hanika bi ko le continue de ajadin ko the fact is the boy is jealous of everyone. Ako Figo go sleep. Ako boyo nying abe jealous ring mobile la. Ako Figo tete la. Ako ngatala. Okay, nga continue Namolu.
Muna sa de si fami ndi fo ndol dankala bante malo.
Namolu hanika bide the god ko Figo and sense adanta wolto ako Figo ning hakilo malong atlo koto munete Namolu te commenso be karanola saying alnga video nyimfongo jibe alfana yata fo. Okay, Namolu saying please momo be kuokula alanding be video nyinjibe wakola mbe ya fonga munejeje momo yaje nyaaw nyama mam problem soto je bari alnga la moy ning hakilo la dorong wakola nga continue.
I don't get it.
Yes.
I don't get what you mean by cheating on them.
Yes. Because what I'm saying
because
is...
there could be rappers. Hold on.
Yes.
You just have to hold on for me to break this thing down for you. Because so one question and go to another. I find like too much information.
Okay, let's go.
There are people that actually work harder than Mike Jada in the music industry. And Mike Jada's name is way up than Nyomsen's name. Hamgalul. Do you know there are people that actually work harder than man? The man's name is bigger than their names in the music industry. Do you know that?
Who is that?
Because there were equal opportunities.
Who is that?
I'm just saying.
Yes. Yes.
There are journalists that you work harder than.
No.
Hold on.
Listen.
I cannot break nothing down.
No, listen. I want you to understand the question. What I said is, for them at that level.
What level?
You understand?
What level? Where is the level at?
The level.
Feel a confusion, Binakado.
Yes.
What level are you talking about?
Mike, they have achieved something.
Doing a show at QCD is what you people call levels?
It's a level.
What happened to the level?
You know why?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Attack don't live in his own house. He's not driving $1 million car.
Hold
on.
Okay.
ST is not living in his own house and he's not driving $1 million car.
You're getting that wrong.
I'm not getting that wrong.
You know why?
I'm not getting that wrong. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
No.
Jesus is not living in his own house driving $1 million car.
Okay.
So what level are you talking about?
Thank you so much. The first show Attack did.
Yeah.
at the stadium with Pa Malik. He bought a built house for his mom.
He built a house for his mom. Okay, I'm gonna break that down too.
I'm coming. I'm just coming. I'm coming. Gambian level, because our music is still growing.
Gambian level.
I'm just coming.
That particular Gambian level.
Just allow me. Just allow me.
Yo, don't
allow me.
Don't allow.
No, just listen. But no. You speak of these three. If you don't allow me, then I want to defend it.
I'm not gonna allow you.
No,
you are not here to defend nobody, as you said.
No. You said.
Are you here to defend people?
No, you said. They did not have a compound or built house. And what they have is what I want to put to you.
Hold on, let me break that.
ST House is a story building.
Hold on, let me break.
I went there myself.
Hold on, let me break. Is he living there though?
Of course.
He is living in that building?
Of course.
No, you're not. No, he's not.
I swear to the Holy Quran.
He is not living in the
Ramadan.
building.
I went there, he's living there.
Hold on.
I'm just coming.
You just have to hold on.
Bought 2019, he bought a full house.
Okay, go on.
For his mom in Tujaren.
Okay.
Built house from Global Properties.
Yeah.
If I'm lying, let the whole Gambia come after me.
Man, I live with Jizzle in the same house.
So would you say that's not an achievement?
You have to let me break it down.
Why are you breaking people's achievement down?
Bro, I'm not saying I'm breaking people's achievement. I'm saying I'm trying to explain it. But
this is an achievement.
But you should let me explain these three things you just named.
Do you discredit them?
I'm not discrediting nobody. I am here to tell you the truth.
Yes, but
behind the Gambian music industry.
No, but this one you get it wrong.
But I did not even explain it yet.
I like people who will honestly say, okay.
You don't even let me explain it, and you are saying I'm wrong.
No, you said.
When somebody
said they don't have it.
Then allow me to explain why I say they don't have it.
But they have it.
But allow me to explain it though.
You cannot explain anything that they have, bro.
What do you mean you cannot explain anything that they have?
Because when you said they are not living in their own house. I can accept two. Attack is not living in the house that he bought for his mom.
Okay, go ahead.
One.
Right.
Jizzle is not living in the house where the one he bought for his mom. But ST is living in the house that he bought for himself.
Okay, guys, let's be honest to each other. And then in interview, I don't know. Mohammed Moneka the interview Mike, wala Mike Moneka the interview Mohammed, because I really don't understand. At this point, Mandawa feel ne Mohammed buguta may Mike come prumu explain, because I feel like Mike lum try to Mohammed understand nako already, because how Mohammed is handling Mike num neka di kote pour Mike banya continue. I feel like Mohammed hamna si dara lu Mike buga wax man dama don wax li ci TikTok bi waye ñu bari understand ko, because this interview dama ko setat ko Mohammed buguta may Mike space bu bari, because hamna ne kum andi ni suma ko maye tuti rek, because Mike mo nekati interview Mohammed Mohammed mom gëna na ci game bi be pare, mom dafa ñaxa gëna na ci game bi be pare. Suma gaay man nak fi la mëna em nu ko way gisé comment section bi yena ko mom awma ci problème nu ko way gisé rek mang leen ni xaar ci comment section bi be benen yoon
li la am pour wax leen do leen ko nanguwe salam do leen ko nanguwut comme Figo Mané nu ko waxe salam